Hey there, gaming enthusiasts! Are you tired of sitting in an uncomfortable chair for hours while gaming or working at your desk? Well, I've got the perfect solution for you, the 2024 new gaming chair Pink Office Computer Chair. This chair is not only stylish and sleek with its pink color, but it's also incredibly comfortable and soft, making it the perfect choice for all your gaming and office needs. With its PU leather material and rotating recliner with footrest, this chair provides the ultimate comfort and support for your back and legs. And with the option to choose between the model with or without latex, you can customize your chair to fit your specific needs. Plus, the PA material caster makes it more durable and easy to wash, ensuring that this chair will last you for years to come. But that's not all. When it comes to assembly, we've got you covered. If you encounter any problems during the installation process, we can send you installation videos or detailed instructions to make the process as smooth as possible. Now, I know some of you may be concerned about customs fees, especially if you're in Brazil. But don't worry, we've got the information you need to make an informed decision. According to Brazilian laws and policies, all parcels arriving in Brazil will be charged by the Brazilian customs. So, please carefully consider whether you really need it before buying. We want to be transparent with you about this process so that you can make the best decision for yourself. So, what are you waiting for? Say goodbye to your uncomfortable chair and hello to the ultimate gaming and office chair. Click the link in the description to get your 2024 new gaming chair Pink Office Computer Chair today. Your back and legs will thank you.